today I wanted to talk about something that it seems really simple, but it can totally make or break your trip if you don't think it through. And that is what you wear when you're traveling. I've made my fair share of mistakes when it comes to picking the wrong outfits on travel day, and I want to make sure you avoid those same travel day disasters. So today's video, it's all about the top travel outfit mistakes you should avoid so you can stay comfy, stylish, and be practical when you've got a day of travel ahead of you. Before we jump in and talk about it, if you're new here, I'm Lori. I've been solo traveling for years. This channel is all about travel tips and tricks for women and men, especially if you love traveling solo. If that sounds like your kind of vibe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every week and I love connecting with fellow travelers in the comments. All right, let's just get right into it. First up, mistake number one to avoid: wearing anything too tight. I know that sounds obvious, but trust me, I've seen it and I've experienced it. Whether it's jeans, leggings, or even a too snug shirt, wearing tight clothes on travel days ends up being super uncomfortable. Clothes actually feel tighter when you're flying. It's actually a real thing. Lower air pressure at higher altitudes makes you feel bloated. So the last thing that you want is to be wearing those jeans that are just a smidge too tight on normal days on an airplane, because they're just gonna feel even tighter. Clothing squeezing your waist or your legs is a good thing to avoid on travel days. Wear loose, comfortable clothing. Pick out an outfit that includes something that's casual, comfortable, so you won't feel restricted, and it'll help you stay cool. Choose lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen, which allow for better airflow. I always opt for a cotton blouse or t-shirt and comfy joggers, or my jeans that have a relaxed fit that have a little bit of stretch in them. And while we're talking about clothes, it can be a good idea to avoid wearing white or light colored clothes. They show stains easier and they show sweat marks. I opt for a black or a gray top most of the time. Those coffee spills always seem to get me at just the wrong times. Mistake number two is wearing uncomfortable shoes. So let's talk about shoes. Uncomfortable shoes are obviously a huge no-no. I want to look cute when I'm traveling, but trust me, those fancy sandals with no support, they're just gonna leave you in pain if you end up having to sprint through the airport to catch a tight connection because your flight got delayed, or you're stuck in the airport for a while and you just wanna walk around and explore because you're bored. Choose shoes that offer support and cushioning, like a good pair of walking sneakers or comfy flats. My go-to are some stylish Mary Janes that are perfect for walking all day, but can still be paired with a nice outfit. I'll link those in the description below for you. Okay, mistake number three, wearing too many clothes or not enough clothes. You know, it might be super cold when you leave home, but your destination could be scorching hot. So layering is always the key when I travel. I pack a lightweight shawl or a wrap that I can easily toss on if I get cold or use as a blanket on the plane. Airplanes are notorious for being chilly, so even if you're heading to a warm spot, a sweater or jacket is a must-have. I also keep a pair of socks in my under the seat bag just in case. So layer up, you know, have a small shirt, another shirt maybe on top of that, a sweater, so that you can peel off those layers if you need to. Okay, mistake number four might surprise you. It's wearing too many accessories. I love a good accessory as much as the next person because it really can make an outfit. But anything that slows you down at airport security, like belts, big chunky jewelry, or shoes that take forever to lace up, can become extremely annoying when you're traveling. Keep it simple here. I wear small earrings, usually small diamond studs or pearls, and maybe a ring or two. Other than that, I avoid necklaces and bracelets on travel day, especially anything that's dangling or chunky. Pack your stylish accessories in your carry-on and put them on once you reach your destination. And finally, mistake number five, not planning for practicality. I've been there trying to look super cute for travel day only to realize that my travel outfit wasn't really functional at all. Here's where pockets save the day. If you're flying, wear something with pockets that can give you easy access to your essentials, like your phone or ID and passport, maybe some lip balm. And if you're carrying a backpack or purse, make sure it's comfortable and secure. I love my anti-theft purse. It has RFID protection and interlocking zippers. I'll link that in the description below if you're interested. So there you have it, the top travel outfit mistakes to avoid on travel day, what you should and should not wear. Top priority for me is always comfort, followed by style and practicality. This is gonna make your travel days so much easier and stress-free. I hope you found these ideas helpful for your next trip. If you're a solo traveler and you like information on safety gadgets, packing, making friends along the way, be sure to check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. If you do subscribe, write me a comment below saying I subscribed and I'll be sure to reply. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Safe travels.